Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make an easy and very cute bows for our upcoming holidays. Okay guys, for this one I want to make a double bow, which is it's gonna be layered. So we'll need 2 ribbons, a jute, and probably a hot glue gun. So let's see. So we're gonna do the loops. So you're gonna do this, and it's about as big as I want it. So 1, 2, 3. Now, cut it out. Gonna tie it right in the middle with jute. So what you do, you fold them in half to make sure you tie it in the middle, and then you tie it. Now, you're gonna fluff it up. You pull it and you twist it, you pull it and you twist it. Okay, so I did the bottom one and the top. So this is the way I want it. So now I'm gonna make the tails. Again, gonna fold it in half. I'll cut a string about this big, and I'll tie it like a knot. Straighten it out first, kind of like that. Keep pulling on it. So one more time, straighten it out. Unless you don't want to, I want it to be straight, so. Okay, got kind of like the middle thing. And then I'm just gonna go through it and secure it on the opposite side. Okay guys, for this bow, we'll use this ribbon. It's just a cute one from, I think from last year. And again, I'll need some jute. Got some mess in here. Okay, and I'm gonna make it a little bit different than I did the other ones. So, just gonna do one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, okay, now if you don't know and you want to check how many petals you will have, you're just gonna go hold it in the middle and just count 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and you got 1, 2, 3 on this side. So you need to unfold one so it will be even. This is just a trick that I picked up. So one more time, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 on this side. So now we can cut it. So now what you're going to do, you're going to fold it in the middle. And you will cut on diagonal. Not all the way to the middle, but close enough on both sides. Okay? Then you're going to use a jute. To tie it off. And here you go. I think it turned out cute. You can fluffy up, do it whatever you want to do it. You can make the things longer, but I think mine it turned out pretty cute because I needed a medium size. Okay guys, now we're gonna make a bow out of this ribbon. So again, you're gonna measure how big you want it to be, which is, this is I'll use a zip tie right in the middle to secure it. Or you can use the jute, it's up to you. I just have zip ties handy, so okay. Cut the excess out. Okay, now we're gonna make the tails. So this would be enough. Just like that. And then we'll fold it at the bottom and cut it on diagonal. Like that. So this way you already have it all nice and ready. Okay. The tails are ready to be attached. So we're gonna flap out the bow first. Now I'm gonna attach my tails, which is I'm gonna just place the bow and attach it to the back. And for that, I'm gonna use my glue gun. Okay guys, this is going to be a really cute bow that you can attach to any like a gift jars, small little presents. So what we'll need a piece of jute ribbon about this big. So, and what you'll do, you kind of fold it in the middle, kind of watch it where you want it, because you want the tails to be the same size. So, and since jute has wire, see this one is a little longer, so I'm gonna pull it back. Okay, just like that. So to secure your little cute little burlap bow, you either can use a piece of jute to just tie it, or as we'll have, this will be really cool and handy. So what you'll do, you'll just go on the middle, under, pull it, and twist. So don't worry about anything else because you will straighten it out. So you can leave this on if you want to tie it somewhere, or you can cut it off. So now, since it's all nice and secure, you can do either leave it flat, I'll make a little loops and make it just like that. So, and again, the bottom ones, we can make it smaller. This one's a little too long, so I'm going to cut it just to even it out. So, just like that. So I'm going to cut this off because this one will go to my mason jar decoration, so I don't really need it. And there you go. Okay guys, for this bow we'll need a jute. Any jute would work. So this would be, so you'll use 4 fingers and you would tie it, hold on, this way. You'll use 4 fingers and then you'll tie it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you cut it off. So cut it off about the same size. So then you pull it out. You can make it as big as you want. I just like this as like a decor. So I usually make my own little strips. So what you did, you see how it is now? We're gonna use a piece of jute right in the middle where I'm holding it. So we'll tie it. Okay, like a double knot, just to make sure it's not won't untie, and you actually have your strings. So what I do, I measure it so they all even, and you can fluff up your jute. My friend, actually Elizabeth, told me the trick on this one because I had trouble, and after that I love it because you don't have to buy any more your jute bows because you can make one.